Now question 5. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Now, to solve this equation, for that first we should get rid of the denominators. To remove the denominators, we should take LCM of them. So the denominators which are present are 4, 3 and 3. So I take the LCM here. Now 4 is 2 2's 4, 3, 3. 2 is a prime number, so 2 1's 2. Now 3, 3. Now 3 we get 1. So our LCM is 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12. Now whatever LCM we got, we should multiply it to the each term. What I mean is into 12, into 12, into 12, into 12. Next. Now here you cancel 4 1's, 4 3's. So we get 3t minus 2 into 3 minus, here also you cancel 3 1's, 3 4's. So we get 2t plus 3 into 4 equal to, here also you cancel 3 1's, 3 4's. So 2 into 4, 8 minus, here we get 12t. Next. Now over here what I want you to do is this into 3. I want you to write before this bracket and open up the brackets. So we get 3 into 3t is 9t, plus into minus, minus 3 into 2, 6. Now over here also the same. I want you to write into 4 before the bracket. Now here you should open up the brackets with minus 4. Okay. Many forget to open with negative sign. For that reason I told you to write it before. Now minus into plus, minus 4 into 2t, 8t, minus into plus, minus 4 into 3, 12, equal to 8 minus 12t. Now 9t minus 8t, 1t, minus 6 minus 12, we get minus 18, equal to 8 minus 12t. Now we have t term here and also here. We should bring all the t terms onto one side. For that we should remove minus 12t from this side. So to remove minus 12t from here, you add 12t on both sides. So 1t plus 12t is 13t minus 18 equal to 8. Minus 12t plus 12t cancel out. Now we should remove minus 18 from this side. So to remove minus 18, you add 18 on both sides. So 18 cancel out. 13t equal to 8 plus 18, 26. Now to get t, we should remove 13. So to remove 13, you divide by 13 on both sides. So this cancel out. Here you get t and here 13 1's, 13 2's. So t equal to 2 is our answer. Question 6. m minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Now To solve this equation, first we should remove the denominators. To remove the denominators, we should take LCM of them. So the denominators present are 2 and 3. So take the LCM of the denominators. 2 ones 2, now 3. Now take 3 1 1. So our LCM is 2 into 3 6. Whatever LCM we got, we should multiply it to the each term. What I mean is, you do into 6, into 6, into 6, into 6. Now here we get 6m minus, here you cancel out 2 1s, 2 3s. So we get m minus 1 times 3 equal to 1 into 6, 6, minus, here you cancel out 3 1s, 3 2s. So we get m minus 2 into 2. Next, 6m. Now before you multiply with 3, what I want you to do is, you write this into 3 here before the brackets. Now you should open the brackets with negative 3. Okay. Next. Now minus into plus, minus 3 into m, 3m. Minus into minus plus 3 into 1, 3 equal to 6. Even over here also, I want you to write this into 2 before the brackets. Now you should open up the brackets with minus 2. So minus into plus, minus 2 into m, 2m. Minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4. Now 6m minus 3m is 3m plus 3 equal to 6 plus 4 is 10 minus 2m. Now we have m term here and here also m term. We should bring all the m terms on one side. For that, we should remove minus 2m from this side. So to remove minus 2m, you add 2m on both sides. So now 3m plus 2m is 5m plus 3 equal to 10. Minus 2m plus 2m cancel out. Now we should remove plus 3 from this side. So to remove plus 3, you subtract 3 on both sides. You get 5m equal to 7. Now to get m, we should remove 5. So to remove 5, you divide by 5 on both sides. So this cancel out here, m equal to here 7 by 5 is our answer.